To set up your profile on Meerkat app. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can set up your profile on Meerkat app. So in that case, you have to first of all download and install the application and to register for Meerkat app. When you're done registering for your Meerkat app, then you could go and log in into your account by typing the link that is www.mycomparethemarket.com/Meerkat. I'm gonna leave the link on my description box below as well. In my case, I happen to be logged into my account already, so I'm just gonna show you the procedure on how you can set your profile. So once done completing your registration, and then it's going to take you to the home page. So here, first thing, you would go ahead and set up a multi-factor authentication as well. This is also one part of setting your profile. If you want to do this procedure, then you can just leave this part and scroll down and go to the left hand side bar, and you have this option as my details. When you do that, you could go ahead and enter in your contact details, your address, your marital status, your employment status. Enter in all of these information, and when you've done that, you could go ahead and tap on save changes, and then you can move on to my friends and family. When you do that, now you could go ahead and add someone as a friends and family and all that. And similarly, when you're done with this procedure, you can move on to contact preferences. When you're on this page, you could go ahead and enter in the contact preferences as well, and that's gonna set your profile all at once. And that's how you can go ahead and set a profile on your Meerkat app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.